Hi there, my name's Katrin from the German Veterinary Clinic in Abu Dhabi, and today I'd like to have a chat to you about why it's really important to bring your pets to the vets for a checkup every year, even if you don't think that they're sick or they have a problem. So what we like to do every year is give your animal a general health checkup, and we look at all the areas that we can see from the outside. So we start with the head, we look in the eyes, we look in the mouth. Sometimes, and those are areas that you might not look at yourself so regularly, especially their teeth, right? So if we have a look at their teeth, we can often find early stages of dental problems, plaque, redness of the gums, gingivitis, and those are things that can get worse over time and that may end up being a real problem. So if we can catch them early, we can give you advice on things that you can do to keep your pet's teeth more clean, more healthy, and maybe even suggest things like toothbrushing or dental food. Or if things are bad, perhaps even suggest to you that you bring them in to have their teeth cleaned properly before things get any worse. We often underestimate the importance of teeth in our animals' health, but if you imagine all the bacteria that are in the mouth, you can easily see why that might be a problem and how that could also affect the rest of the body. So we'll have a look at their eyes, we'll have a look in their ears. Often we'll pick up things like maybe ear mites or mild ear infections that we can give you advice on that you might not see at home. We'll often ask you questions, about their eating habits, what kind of food you're feeding, and we might be able to give you advice on how to do things even better than you already are. What we'll also do is weigh your animals every year so that we can kind of get an idea on, are they putting weight on or are they losing weight? These are really important indicators of your animal's health. So especially weight gain, which is something very common. Sometimes after you've neutered your pets, they put weight on more easily than beforehand. So it's also important to catch those things early so they don't spiral out of control. And we might recommend a reduced diet or a light diet, or maybe more exercise or more playtime to keep your animals more active. We'll also chat to you about their annual vaccines. And often this can be really important in relation to travelling. So are you planning on taking your pets out of the country in the next year, in which case they might need rabies vaccines, you might need to have blood tests done, and you might want to start thinking about what you need to do in order to travel with your pets if that's what you're planning. Also, the annual checkups give you a chance to ask questions on things that you might be unsure of. So, could I be doing anything better? How often do I need to walk my animal for? Is there a problem with fleas, with ticks, with external parasites? How often should you be deworming your pets? You might have queries around those subjects, and we can help you with that. We probably will also advise that you do deworm your pets every 3 to 6 months, because here in the UAE we do see tapeworm quite a lot. So that's also something that you can pick up on your annual health check. We'll also have a look at the condition of the skin for you. If the skin's flaky, we might advise that you add some oils to their diet, or we can give you products that might make their hair and skin look even better. So even if you don't think that your pets are actually sick, there are so many things we can do to help you keep them even healthier. And it's a great way of touching base, seeing what's new, if there's any new information out there, and things that we might think are really important to keep your pet really healthy and happy. So come in every year to see us, and we also love seeing you. We love seeing your pets. We love seeing the progress they're making and how well they're looking. So it's a great visit for both you, your pets who will have a positive experience, and for us.